These are the usernames of people all over the world that are earning hundreds to thousands of dollars daily, just coming online on this platform, for making money online. Here are the proofs of their earnings on this platform. They earn in points, and each 5,000 points will give $1. As you can see, they are making hundreds of thousands of points on this platform, just by going online daily. This is a very exciting platform, which will let you earn hundreds to thousands of dollars daily, doing what you already do online daily. Now, all you will need to register free and get started on this platform is your mobile phone. You don't need any fancy gadget or need to spend any money to get started. You will just register free and get started making money from the first minute you log in this system. You are going to log in, click some buttons, play some games, make some selections, and earn money. It is as easy as ABC. This system will give you that passive income you need to buy those fancy things in life you want, and even take on a vacation and go on a tour as you like. You will make free money on this platform, and remember, you do not need any investment to get started. Now, before I show you what you need to do to make this money from this system, I welcome you to Online Bucks, where we teach you how to make money online easily and legitimately. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will get to see more videos on how to make money online from this channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you receive value from this video. Now back to what I was saying. The first thing you will need to do to start making money from this system is to type in "get paid to" in the Google search. And this search results will be displayed to you. You can then click on the first link here to be taken to their homepage. Here, at their homepage, you will be welcome with this phrase, "earn money every time you go online." Yes, you can monetize all your online activities by doing some simple tasks on this platform to earn money in the process. This is a process that will not only let you join free, but will make you earn lots of money from the system. You will be earning money doing some simple surveys, games, quick points, and complete online offer. Now, this is how it works on this system. First, you will take up some simple tasks, like fill in some surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more, on this platform. The next thing is, you will earn points. Straight. As you do task you earn points. No waiting period. Just do and earn. You are getting rewarded for your time online in this process. For each 5,000 points, you earn $1. 10,000 points will earn you $2. You will be able to earn hundreds of thousands of points, and earn hundreds of dollars as well, in this system. The system allows you to redeem your points in cash, cryptocurrency, and gift cards. Now, these are some of the games you will be playing on this platform to make money. All you will need to get started earning money with these games is to play the game for at least 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds of playing games, and boom, you have started earning points and making money. Simple. There are a lot of games for you to play on this platform. You have games like Candy Connect, Easter Hunt, Mahjong systems, and many more. They have simple and diverse payout system for you to cash out all your earnings. You can cash out using bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrency, Amazon gift card, PayPal, Vodafone Cash, and more. Apart from games, you can use offer walls to earn money from this website. Here, on the offer wall page, you must get to see all the different types of offers you can attempt to earn money on this platform. Examples include Nodic.me, AdGate Media, Offer Toro, Hang My Ads, Peanut Labs, AdSend Media, AdGem, iAt Studio, Kiwi Wall, Wanids, Revenue Universe, Medium Path. This is how it works on this offer wall. First you will sign up to create a free Get Paid to account. And you set to start earning money with your offer wall. The next step is to browse available offers, click on the one you like, and complete. Each offer will display its payout amount. And then after this, you will receive points to your Get Paid to GPT account after each successful completion. Then you will cash out your earnings as you wish. To get started, you will need to come to this place here, Join Free Today. You will now be on this registration page. Here, you will need to input your username. Then you input your password. You will then confirm your password. The next is your email address. Then you confirm your email address too. After this, you will input your first name. Then you input your last name. You then select your date of birth from the drop-down menu. And then, your country. As you can see here, all the countries of this world are available to be selected here. This means they accept people from all over the world. So your location cannot be a barrier for you to make money on this platform. Now, in order to cash out your earnings, you will need to be here, on the cash out page. You will have the option of cash transfer, gift card, PayPal or crypto wallet transactions. All the earnings that are made in points will be converted to dollar equivalent at the rate of 5,000 GPT points per dollar at the point of cash out. Now, here are some of the offers and corresponding points you can earn doing such tasks on this website. Some surveys will earn you 25,000 points, which is $5 per one survey. As you can see here, some earnings on this platform will spur you to take this challenge to make money on this system. These are some of the earnings of people all over the world taking up tasks on this platform. These people earn in tens to hundreds of thousands of points on this platform doing simple tasks. They also earn more points on this website doing quick tasks in the quick points system, and earn more bonus points to make more money. The quick point system lets you make more points in addition to taking surveys, offer walls. Quick points help you increase your earnings and make you cash out faster. Ciao.